In this picture, we're looking at a large concrete tread. These things, believe it or not, are heavy. I just wanted to provide anyone who's planning on building a set of stairs with precast concrete stair treads a general idea about some of the problems you could have while you're installing them, and a couple other things. But do not underestimate the weight of these monsters. I mean, a small 3-foot tread that's 11 inches wide probably weighs about 40 to 50 pounds, and I would imagine that two people would have a difficult time setting these. I'm not saying it's not impossible, but just wanted to point out that these things are heavy. Next, I'd like to show you another problem with the stairway. If you notice, the white arrow is pointing to the bottom riser, and it's a little smaller than the rest of the risers. Now this is, I don't want to say this is a typical problem, but this is a problem that happens every once in a while with a pre-built stairway. So someone comes in and they make the stair treads and the risers, they bring them out in a kit and then assemble it, and their measurements were off a little bit, and you end up with something like this. Is it a big deal? Actually it is, especially if it's on a public stairway. Now here's another picture of the other riser, and you can see the difference. I'm pointing to the space in between each tread, and if you look at the bottom riser, you can see that there's at least I'm just going to say at least a 1-inch difference, just minimum, you know. It could actually be more, but there is a difference. I did not measure this when I was taking the picture, but there is a problem here. And again, like I said, if this was a stairway in someone's backyard, you know, big deal. But this is a entrance to a office building, and it looks like it's about a 4-story office building. So is this the main entrance? I don't know. Is it one of the entrances? Definitely. So if only a few people walk up and down the stairway each day, and they're the same people, they probably got a good idea that, you know, where to step and stuff like that. But anyone else comes along, might not be the same deal.